Hi, my name is Kevin from JBH. Today I'm going to show you how to unbox DC08L and have an initial setup. Once we open up the top of the carton, we simply just open it up and lay it down this way. That allows us easier to drag out the units. It's just with one hand, it's simple and easy. As soon as we have the wheelchair out of the carton, please check you have a user's manual pack with safety belts and some simple tools. A charger inside the box here, a controller here, and the seat cushion. Once we open up the wheelchair, we can put the seat cushion on the top here and then simply just slide the slot inside the hole here for setting up the controller. We turn the knob to tight and then connect here by arrow to arrow and then turn the middle to tight. Wheelchair has freewheel mode. It's right behind the wheelchair near the rear wheel here. Push the lever to the top, that allows you to have manual control of the wheelchair, and if you want to have electric control, just push the levers back. Turn the lever to the top, that allows us to flip up the armrest, and then we can access from the side. Either you can go through the front, flip down the armrest, and then turn the lever back. Press the button here for turning on the power, and then we can push the joystick to the front, to the back, or any other direction you want. Push the button down, and at the same time, one hand push the seat back to the front a little bit, and then both hands push together to the center that we can fold up the wheelchair. It's really simple and easy. When it's come to charging the battery, either you can do directly from here by plug in the charging plug to here, then connect to power source so you can charge everywhere. You can also take out the battery from here. That allows you to carry it indoors for charging. It's an oval charger design that you simply just plug the charger plug here, and then you can connect to the power source so that you can charge everywhere. That's the way to initially set up the wheelchair. I hope you find it's really simple and easy. The wheelchair actually has APP support that allow you to remote control, or even we have a remote controller for the remote control of the wheelchair. Thank you very much.